One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, Cluster D! Good job, good job.
Okay, so sa may naman, nagkakaroon tayo dun sa this is because you need to insert coffees. So ito lang yung insert. Yung wala rin. Kuya Hans, ito Winning Fast Creating DJ. Sila yung mga original na mga music team. Actually, nagturo sa mga music team. Okay, so ito yung team component plus 38 singles for guys members. Wala lang yung ibang so dati ilan lang kami, ngayon devoted weekly na. Salamat sa Diyos, no? Salamat sa inyo mga kapatid.
Singles for Guys, we really honor you and we really appreciate lahat ng efforts nyo. Hindi matatawaran, hindi magiging successful yung CLP natin without all of your efforts. Sobrang thank you. Sana hindi bumaba yung level ng ano nyo, ng energy. Power!
Okay, salamat na marami. Sana yung picture. Kasi baka next year, magpipicture na lang tayo sa fellowship na. Kasi yung picture. Ay,